When you first begin to sit, you may find that you're easily distracted and your mind gets carried away by all kinds of thoughts and emotions. There are many different methods that we can use to help the mind stay calm and focused. One of the simplest methods is watching the breath. With this method, you don't need to change your normal way of breathing in any way. As you sit comfortably, gently bring your attention to the natural flow of your breath. As you breathe out, simply know that you're breathing out. And as you breathe in, simply know that you're breathing in. There's no need for any running commentary or analysis. There's just pure knowing, pure attention, and pure presence. The main point is to keep your attention lightly focused on the out breath. If you find that your mind drifts off and you get lost in daydreams, that's no problem. Just recognize that you're distracted and bring your attention gently back to your out breath. The idea is not to become fixated or tense. The most important is to be mindful of your breath, aware of whether you're distracted or not, and to simply remain spaciously,